For your viewing pleasure, previously in this series.
Free to death, and there's the new. Alright, today's the day we're riding this bad boy about 8 miles or so out to my parents' house, who have a really nice welder that Lord Kurt's gonna be using to weld up the second battery pack and the last couple things that he needs to weld on the frame, like the foot pegs. The second battery pack is coming with us. He's gonna follow me in the car. I'm gonna ride it out. I just did the last inspection of the bike. Hopefully it's not gonna fall apart. I think we'll be fine. I think we'll be fine. But this is the first extended test of this motorcycle. I'm excited, but I'm also just running through all the scenarios that, potentially could go wrong on this ride. But that's pretty much it. I think all the nuts and bolts are tightened. The drivetrain, Kurt did a great job installing all that, so I trust it. Wheels, I don't think are gonna fall off, so we should be good. So let's get this stuff loaded up and let's head out to the country. Kurt's gonna go in front and you're gonna just follow me, okay?
Okay, watch. I wonder if
All right, this will be an adventure. Handlebars aren't perfectly straight. This is gonna be fun, right? We're also trying to beat the sunset because, no headlight. So this will be a great time. Kurt's way more used to this bike than I am. And so what he might think is normal, I don't know, man. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a great time. It feels smooth enough to me. I'm just hoping it lasts for several miles here. Kurt seems to have confidence in it, so I'll trust him. I'll trust him. He just tuned it a little bit. So he's in front of me, and Young Swag is actually behind me. We're kind of just caravanning it. We definitely want to make sure that avoid all possible points of failure that might happen on this trip. So we got eyes on the road. I think we'll be fine. It rides pretty smooth though. The rear shocks could use a little bit less stiffness. I think my main concern on this trip is just the chain. I'm not sketched out by it, but it's rubbing quite a bit, and it is two chains spliced together. So I think if anything were to fail besides the actual wheels and stuff, I think the only thing that would fail would be the chain actually would break and fly off, but I doubt that's the case. I'm just playing every scenario in my head. After the longboard crash, I just don't like riding anything I could hit the road on. Yeah, it just died right there. No throttle. Reset it, it came back. Oh shoot, I forgot the battery box. That's what's rattling. Yikes. This is gonna be fun, guys. I'm not sketched out at all. Not at all.
I'm just wanting to get this to where we're going, because to where we're going is like the last leg of the journey of this build. I mean, we're installing the last components that we need on this thing. And then it's all appearance after that, and a little bit of wiring, but nothing huge, nothing major. So this thing's pretty much done. I mean, as far as drivetrain and powertrain and everything goes, it's almost done. Kurt's done an amazing, just a phenomenal job on this whole thing. And I'm honestly just not wanting to go too fast right now, just because if something did go wrong, it would end very poorly. I have to be at work tomorrow, so so I can't really risk my life right now, you know what I'm saying? Oh gosh. And that's about maxed out right there, so we're probably going only 50 or something. He said he only could get it up to like 56 or something when he did his test run on it before. So I think that's about what we're at. But that rattling is sketching me out. Besides that though, everything feels smooth. I mean, the ride itself is really not bad. It's a pretty smooth ride. It's just kind of loud in my helmet right now. We also did whip up a handy dandy seat for me on this ride. We got a piece of plywood and a towel wrapped around it. Just such a nice seat all the way around. Old father mucker. He keeps doing the stupid thumbs up when I'm stopping. It is a smooth ride though, I'll give it that. I don't want to go too crazy on it, but it's a smooth ride. Got those tires aired up just like they should be. That rattling though is sketching me out. I think that bolt is loosening. This could be my last video. It probably will never even be posted. I'm gonna push on it with my knee. Oh, good, oh, frick. Check this out. I pushed on it with my knee. Look at this. That's what it was doing. This is the battery box right here. I saw it was like getting farther and farther apart. I forgot to put a bolt on this. But I saw this one getting farther and farther apart. And I was like, I'll just push on it with my knee. I pushed it and the whole nut just like goes off like that.
Finger tighten this so it'll get the rest of the way.
Oh my goodness. Because I just started hearing it start rattling. Huh?
The ones that I was concerned about, that was like the only ones that I was worried about.
Yeah.
Everything else so far is going good though?
Yeah, no, it's running smooth.
You're going 57 miles an hour.
Okay, not bad, not bad.
Like, this isn't too hot to touch.
Good.
Which it has been in the past, so I'm
okay.
wearing incorrectly now.
Yeah, yeah, seating itself in. All right, let's get going. There's nobody on the roads anymore. Young Swag can take point. This is quite the trip. We are so close too, but that just sketched me out too much, because if that thing fell off, I mean, you guys can imagine that would not be a good situation, because that is a structural piece too. It's not just you know, it's not just an optional door on the battery box. It's also structural a little bit. It's not crazy structural, but it firms it up for sure. So yeah. Oh man, this is quite the trip. Oh man, wow, we finally made it. Goodness gracious. And of course we had to get some like flybys and stuff for YouTube. Now that TikTok got traction, YouTube is trying to be the cool kid fitting in with TikTok. And so they're pushing a lot of really short videos now. So we got to get on the story and like the short video game and everything. What's up, Opal? What's up, girl? What's up, Conan? How you doing? What's up, girl? No, watch out, watch out. Poppy, what's good, dog? How you doing? This will work right here, I think.
Poppy. What are you? What are you?
All right, guys, well, that's where I'm gonna end it. We got this thing out here safely. Nothing happened, nothing major happened on the ride over. The battery box got a little loose, but that is it. So here it is. Kurt's gonna work on it tomorrow, and it looks like it didn't even drop a voltage for 10 miles. So, dude, it's pretty solid, pretty solid. So, looks like the battery is holding capacity fine. It's just, you know, the charging issue we're facing, but Kurt's gonna work on it tomorrow. I have work this weekend, so can't really do a whole lot, but here it is. We're almost done. This is the last section of the powertrain modifications, and then it's gonna be 100% ready for appearance modifications and then finishing it. We're both very excited for that. So more to come. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, definitely stay up to date. YouTube, I already mentioned, is pushing like shorter videos, but I'm gonna keep these longer ones up too. So more build videos coming, but I'm gonna be posting more stories on the bike, more short videos and whatnot. So I hope you guys are enjoying it, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.